monsieur and madame have rung the chapel bell. C'est la vie, say the old folks. It goes to show you never